Wait, look, we all got our own sections of caterpillar. I'm in the fourth sequence. Which sequence are you in? I think this is all one sequence. So you're in the fifth sequence.
Help me to go find something to eat. Come on, everybody.
Here we go.
Here we go.
That's what I said.
There's a horn. It's like candy corn.
God, that'd be awesome. I sat in the wrong seat.
Hey, let's go over and eat that nice juicy apple. I hope there's not a worm inside. Oh my goodness, this is such a sweet and juicy watermelon.
Oh my God.
Big time to go. Ruffles swell or yummy desserts. Animal crackers. Oh, I love animal crackers. It smells so yummy in here. My favorite part.
Oh my God, it smells so good.
All of it. I just love treats and sweets. They are my favorite things to eat. I'm so full I cannot move. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh God.
Excuse me. Now I'm going back for a second. Oh, my favorite candy corn. Delicious.
I love candy corn.
It's pretty great.
But not when it's shaped like a pumpkin, only when it's shaped like corn.
I'm so full I cannot go.
What if it's like the brown?
Everybody just stay here.
No.
Gotta be the original.
Just a moment.
Don't worry about
I'm sorry, that was me. I did that.
Oh, okay. All right.
Keep it down back there.
Simadana.
I'm going to drop you
Simadana.
off so I can go back for seconds. Goodbye, my friends. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Come back again and visit me. Remember to eat your fruits and vegetables. I miss you
Okay.
already.
Oh my gosh, I'm like I miss you too. Bum it up, bum it up. Where are all of the people? Come ride Hilux. It's early yet. Oh, look at the bees.
David!
Yo!
Hi! They're getting really mad at me. They're like, can you tell David hi?
We made it to PIxar Pier and it looks exactly the same as it did last week.
No, it doesn't. It looks completely different. That's why we're here.
You're right. Gotta show me how though, dude.
Like the scaffolding
The
on the Ferris
scaffolding
wheel has to be higher.
the same. No, it's the same.
Really?
Yeah, that's the same scaffolding.
Well,
on
this
PIxar
side isn't
Pier is
changing,
the same.
right? It's only changing on the
No,
back
but
side?
they're repainting it.
Yeah, they're gonna just give them a facelift on this.
I don't see any new paint anywhere though.
Yeah, they haven't even put scaffold across the area that they're gonna have to redo yet.
No, not yet.
Fresh baked. Can I be honest with you guys?
If I'm being honest.
I die a little bit at this point when we come over here.
Well, let's get it over quickly then.
You don't love this? You don't enjoy this?
There's not a lot to report on so far, so hopefully we'll be out of here quickly.
You don't look forward to this?
Until now.
Every Saturday?
This is only the third time we've done this. How could you already be over it?
No, it's not that I'm over it.
Is this worse than the fun trail?
No, it's
Oh, I get it.
I feel like a little, I'm like,
Yeah,
man.
it's not.
It's
Yeah,
just, it's a bummer.
It is a
Like,
bummer.
It's a bummer.
there's one attraction and it's covered in scaffolding.
Right. Like,
Yeah.
it's like, oh, it hurts my heart a little bit.
It's bad enough that we already come in here and just kind of go in and go out kind
I
of
think
thing.
that's why it's like, oh man,
Yeah.
this isn't even like.
Like literally, we know what every one of these people just did. Right? There's no mystery. Midway Mania? Midway Mania. Midway Mania? Are you going to Midway Mania? Are you going to Midway Mania? Midway Mania?
Level 4.
Level 4? Level 3?
Do you want to beat Ian? Do you think you can beat Ian? Did your score beat Ian? You don't win.
Oh my god. Oh wait, no, I forgot. There's the carousel, which actually nobody goes on.
Until like sometime next month.
Can you still walk through, or is it closed?
No,
You cannot walk through, no.
You'll see.
Okay, but if you're riding the carousel, you have to ride the purple otter in honor of who?
I want to ride the aardvark.
What the? What?
There's a whole amount of context to it.
Oh my god, I don't want to worry about it.
All right. Well, we're gonna walk down here, down to the end for grins, and see what happens. Well, yeah, it's pretty much the same as last week. They're still working on the paint job here on Midway Mania. A lot of scaffolding going up on California Screaming. That is a scary looking set of scaffolding there.
Wow, that looks really safe, actually.
Well, not if you're afraid of heights.
Well, I mean, if you're afraid of heights, a 6-foot ladder is gonna scare you.
Safe and scary are not mutually.
Yeah, no, right, exactly. And that. Wow. Now, so what do these guys do? These guys, they climb that thing and then they go into the tube?
Yeah. You see how there's more scaffolding built inside the tube up there?
Yeah.
Also on the lift tail, there should be at least on the actual lift tail, there should be a stairway anyway.
Yes, there is.
There should be a stairway on the lift tail anyways.
Right, so that stairway wasn't there before, though. That's part of the scaffolding, right?
Yeah, that's so they can get up there.
Easier access rather than having to go to wherever the stairway at the lift gate starts and climbing all the way up. They can just go straight up right there.
More direct. Same amount of steps. just more direct.
That's crazy. You got all that prep work you got to do just to get started. You know?
It's a lot. Scaffolding's a lot.
Yeah. We did find this little piece of scrimminess right here. There's not a lot to see, but we can at least see into California Screaming where they haven't done anything except for put up the walls and the sandbags, but nothing's happening. Can you guys see all that? Oh, there's Edna Mode's house. I'm just kidding. We'll never be able to see Edna Mode's house. One last stop before we go is the Scrim of Scrimness here on the boardwalk where we saw some constructionizers. Let's see if we can't see what they're doing. Can you guys see that? Still nothing happening. Well, they've covered up part of the launch track.
Yep.
But there's not much going on here either. I don't see any kind of, no dash, no installing of the water effects. It's still too early for them to see anything really, I guess, any progress.
Again, this is gonna be on what, mid-late June? It's still like a good 5 to 6 months.
We're gonna have to do this. It's gonna be like watching water boil for a while.
Or paint dry or ice melt.
But hey, watching ice melt is freaking amazing.
I mean, it can be.
Yeah. You know, Sarah, we may have to ride Silly Symphony today. Just saying.
Okay.
I know you're excited about that. You've already bounced out of one Make the Sick attraction.
Really holding back right now. I'm excited.
I say that because we're back on, what do they call this?
This is Little Nemur Way.
Nemur Way? We're on Nemur Way.
In a more official sense, we'll be referred to as just Paradise Park.
Yeah, look, there it is right there.
Hey, look, he's right, Paradise Park. We're on Paradise Park because we got a few things we want to. Oh, Sarah's taking a picture. We got a few more things we want to do here. We have to get our face painted. Well, I take that back.
I work.
She has to get her face painted. Christian, are you gonna get your face painted?
Probably not.
Probably not. Can you let him draw a mustache on you, please? Let him paint a mustache on you.
Then I'll start like breaking out.
Like a Fu Manchu.
So like fresh.
All right, we gotta do some face painting and some crafts, and do a little shopping. Oh, the merchandise cart is open. Okay, and then we're gonna ride. Well, we could ride Golden Zephyr. Is that better than Silly Symphony? Because I don't know if I can handle Silly Symphony coming off of Mission Breakout. I might mission vomit all over this shore. Love is a strong word for Golden Zephyr. Yes, it's a strong word.
Like I quite enjoy the Silly Symphony swings.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't quite enjoy it at all.
Fan of the swings.
No. So we found the Lunar New Year merch. Very nice. It's very Lunar New Year-y.
Very lunar.
It's got a little Chinese.
You're the dog.
You're the dog. Thank you, Christian.
So clever, right?
Yeah, thank you for that. What's over here?
They've got some pretty sweet.
You got to put those on right now, you know. Here, let me have that.
That way? Yeah. Oh, the flower goes in the back?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, if you're Daisy. Or Minnie, I should say. That looks great. Those look great. hoodie right there? What is that?
Yes, this is well a
hoodie
hoodies-
shirt.
Yeah,
Hoodie
this
shirt.
is more like a long sleeve.
The shooty.
Shooty?
Shooty.
Shooty.
Yeah.
Swacking shoodies.
Similar to a swag kit.
Yeah.
but no.
I think I'd rather have a shooty.
I think I would too.
Yeah.
There used to be 2 pins. Those are currently all gone.
Oh my gosh. What is that? Do you put that in your door? or
This is a paper decoration.
something? What do you do with it?
It's like 3D.
You just hang it somewhere, right?
Yep.
Okay. Here's that enormous keychain I was talking about.
It is ginormous.
I think it's great,
I think that you're not right.
but I don't think I
So
get
like that
the
guy just hangs out of your pockets, right?
There's no way you can carry that. Yeah, only you have to have a purse.
Yeah, no, like he hangs out, and like everything else goes
It's
in, he
fashion.
hangs out.
What do we got here? This is a red packet.
Those are
Oh,
like
that's
the
for you give money.
envelopes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's like
It's
the
for
shit
good luck.
Chinese
Is there,
New Year.
does it come with the money? Or?
Yeah,
No,
no.
you buy it to put the money in
We
there.
got a little photo frame. Photo frame is $10. Very cute.
Same stuff on the other side.
Probably. There are a few new things here. We're just gonna show you everything. We have a snow globe. It's actually not snow.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is it still considered a snow globe if it's not represented like snowing inside there?
This is
Yeah.
a bigger Mickey plush.
Bigger Mickey. Now put that in your pocket.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is that one a keychain as well?
I like that.
Oh,
Wow.
Oh, interesting. What's this? Oh, it's a gift card.
Yeah.
Keychain.
I just feel like that's so clever. Hello.
How much is the gift card?
Just that to me.
Oh, for real? You're buying a shirt?
I have to get it for Mish.
Mish? Oh, Michelle. That's kind of neat. I like that. You're right.
Yeah, that is cool.
You guys
Okay
should
then.
pass this one.
Oh, look, they even have.
Do they have different?
Oh, they're different dogs, right?
Different Disney
Oh,
dogs.
that's
Lady.
so cute.
That one dog, that other one dog. There's that one dog also. There's another one of those dogs.
I imagine they're all from.
Oh, there's Tramp. I know that one.
No.
Bolt.
Well, the movie that everybody has forgotten completely.
Complete Bolt.
I think
From Oliver and Company.
Yeah.
Wait, but how do you forget that? Isn't that Miley?
Yes, but I mean, I think that's another 5 I want to do. Is like 5 movies
That nobody cares about?
Well, they're just completely forgotten. They weren't even bad. Like, Bolt was a good movie.
It's called They Didn't Do Us, They Don't Come Out.
It did good. Bolt
Like
did-
the original Race Switch Mountain?
Like, do we even think of Bolt as a Disney movie anymore?
No, I never even thought it was a Disney movie to begin with, in all honesty.
Yeah.
So, for that list, do they specifically have any movies that aren't bad but are forgotten? Because
Well, yeah, I think so because also
you're not going to talk about Home on the Range or
right. No. Well, Home on the Range could be. I don't know.
It's
That was
not good. Neither it's not good. Neither is Chicken Little. Those are both bad.
yeah. Fresh Bake, talk to me. Talk to me about this. What are some movies that you? What I can't even ask this question because you've forgotten. So I'm gonna have to remember for you. 5 movies that people have forgotten, but they should be good because
Or at least
people
decent.
hate it when I
At
get
least
negative.
At least decent movies. They don't have to be
Yeah.
amazing, but at least they're forgotten not because they're bad, just because Disney stopped.
Right. What? Yeah. Why have people forgotten about Bolt? What is Bolt missing? Is it?
I think it never built up a fandom or like an attachment.
Yeah.
To begin with,
Yeah.
right? It may have done well enough, but no one got attached to it enough. To
It
say,
was
"Oh,
popular enough at the time. I mean, I remember. No, it did not have legs.
They're beautification.
Didn't they get the memo never to use cartoon what's the Comic Sans?
So what?
They're font.
Never use Comic Sans font. Ever.
Oh my
Ever.
God, thank you. Thank you. Oh my God, David, thank you.
Common sense.
That's 1988.
It's so wrong. Your eyes like, ugh.
Anyway,
Yeah, no.
do we know what the beautification is?
No, just general work as far as I know.
They're gonna add more Brother Bear
They've
stuff.
added Sarah? Is that what you're saying? It's so Sarah. By the way, in case you noticed, we're not doing anything Lunar New Year Eve because it's not going to start until 11.
And to be fair, we covered most everything last week.
Well, yeah, so we just decided to bounce. We're going to go to
there were a couple
Disneyland.
bits and pieces, but
Last
I
week,
think
the first week, or the week before?
last week was.
Oh, no, there's last week is the
In
first
total
week.
covering like 4 weekends.
So yeah, we're gonna head out and head over to Disneyland. Thought we'd just take a stroll down Grizzly Peak,
There's like, what, 2,
get a little atmosphere. Hey, this is open again.
1 merch booth?
This was closed not long ago. It is now working. Folks are here to get wet. It is going to be 80 degrees again today. Hey, remember that thing? You remember that thing called winter?
Come again?
W-I-N-T-E-R.
Winter?
It's a thing that.
Did I say it right?
Yeah, winter.
Winter.
Part of winter.
Sounds nice.
Well, you might have
Winter.
remembered during winter,
Winter.
you get stuff called rain.
What is winter?
Rain.
That's when the sky cries and makes everything wet.
Oh my God, is it okay?
Well, no, because we haven't seen any
I
rain.
don't know, kick something over so the sky starts crying.
We need the sky to cry.
He's like, what is going on?
We're doing a bid, Ian.
See, I promise I walked in the middle of the bed.
Because it's 80 today. It's gonna be 80 tomorrow.
Yep.
It's gonna be 80 the day after that.
Yeah, winter's all 80.
And then it's gonna get a little cooler,
He looks so cute.
and then it's gonna be 80 again next week.
Yeah, no, we had like 2 weeks of winter. It's done now.
We had 1 day of rain so far this
We had
season.
1 day of rain that lasted like a week.
1 day of rain. It didn't last no week. Are you trying to get my attention?
No, I wasn't.
Oh, you were just
But
making.
hi, David.
Hello, Sarah.
How you doing, friend?
I'm doing great. How are you?
You know,
I'm kind of bummed about the rain, but
I mean, me too, but you know, it's not like too hot yet, so I won't complain.
it will be later.
I know.
Yeah,
I know.
it will be later.
I know.
Ba-da-da. Winter. What I don't understand is we just went through an entire winter where the whole country is freezing, coldest weather ever. Like
Global
everything's
warming's
freezing.
not real.
But here,
Global warming's not real. What?
it's not a thing.
That
Look how steamy it
rain
is.
thing that you were just talking about?
Well, it's a form of rain. If you were a Wonder Twin, you could do this form of
I have never
steam
seen that before.
or mist.
Or a bucket of ice.
Yeah, and then a monkey would come and ruin
I mean,
everything.
that looks fantastic.
It does look interesting. It's very photogenic.
I
It's fun.
smell the
Fun.
chlorine from here.
Do you smell the fun? Oh, come on around. We have to ride that today also.
Do you smell the fun?
No.
Do you
all
smell
that-
what the rock is
all
cooking?
that-
Yes. Bacon. They did not scream at all. You guys are fired. Oh, it's one dude.
I feel like people on the live stream were only saying that they didn't like The Rock because like they wanted to be cool and popular.
Yeah, I think so too.
Right. The only people who don't like The Rock are jealous haters.
Yeah. People were saying like if you don't like action movies or WWE, there's no reason for you to like The Rock.
No,
Hey,
that's not true.
He's a great person.
Yes, he is.
He's always just doing good things.
Always doing good
Making people
things.
happy.
Has it?
He's totally not a jerk most of the time.
Rock has
Unless you're
never
like
said anything
Tyrese.
offensive.
Yeah.
Except that one time he wanted everybody to throw poo on Kevin Hart when they were filming
You know
Jumanji.
who's
But
not
understandable. It's
problematic?
Kevin Hart. He's
Yeah.
kind of a D-bag.
What? Yeah. Even Kevin Hart's done a little, you know, yeah. What?
I said, you know who's not problematic? The Rock.
The Rock is not a problem. No. Okay. I hear her screaming now.
Oh my God!
Okay. No fun in that boat either. You guys are fired?
Ooh, a duck just got lost.
I think I just saw Slender Man though.
You saw Brandon Ingram?
He's got jokes. He does weigh like $130, right? Let's go. Brandon Ingram. Hey, you remember that one time Brandon Ingram went 3 for 12?
Don't talk about Brandon like that. He's my little favorite.
He's the new Kobe.
Sophomore, all right. Give him a break. Let him
He's
come
a
into his
little
own.
baby.
He must really admire
He's
Kobe.
like a baby giraffe, and he hasn't like gotten his like bearings yet.
He has
You
done
leave
nothing
him
but bring up
alone.
his averages all season. You leave him alone,
You
all
leave
right?
him alone. You look for him in a year, and he's gonna be a big shiny giraffe.
Well, he better carry a sign because he's so skinny he could get lost
Well,
anywhere.
The kid's 20 years old, dude.
you gotta bulk him up.
Give him
a
some
bit.
time to put on some weight, man.
No.
You know, Luke's not giving him his protein, so he's just
I'll
wobbling
bet
around
you
everywhere.
could feed that kid all day and he still wouldn't gain any weight.
Probably.
Give him a couple years, dude. He's just got to get like to like 24 years old and the dad bod starts setting in so he can set some weight up.
Yeah,
Look
maybe.
At KD. KD starts putting some weight on now, you know? KD was just like a scrawny little thing like it, the tarantula. Come on.
Yeah,
Why
yeah.
do they call him that? Because he was just a lanky little...
Hi, good morning. The ninja was trying to ask me. He's starting track. Or he wants to be a sprinter now.
Oh, sprinter,
And
right?
he's like, how do I put on weight? And I said, good luck, kid.
Buddy, you just have to always have something in your hand going into your mouth eating.
Dude, that kid can process food right now. He would have to be eating constantly.
That's
just
what
nothing,
I'm saying. Like, you
nothing
gotta
but
always-
mashed potatoes and bread and.
Get him like some protein shakes. Some of the,
Sick. Oh my god.
yeah, the
I am Groot.
I have to show her. She's like, oh, okay, that's why you just did that.
He is. He's literally Groot. We'll stop here at the Grizzly Peak Refreshments, where you can find ice cold drinks. They're sold here.
The fancy.
Yeah, I want to get a Sprite.
We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!